What if red color disappeared? Oh no, I was thinking of coloring my hair red. Oh, some.
Hey Apple, guess what? I have amazing news!
Really? What's the news anyway?
Well, it's, I forgot the news!
What? How could you forget it? What are we gonna do with you, Baseball?
I don't know.
I don't care if you're the demon seed of Davy Jones. You're going down, Tubby.
Tubby? Nobody calls me Tubby!
Hey, it's so fuzzy.
Stop that!
It even sounds like you, Puffy.
Don't call me Puffy, but I'm not going to slap you, 'cause I'm nice.
Both of you are under arrest for trying to steal money at Taco Bell. You both are not going to say a word until you both get in the cell.
Alright, come on, over the plate. Let's see the old stuff here, pal. Come on now. Chuck him, baby. Hum, baby, hum, baby. Here's the pitch. And he is out of here.
Mama, another gator got in the house.
Another gator? Give me that shovel. Come here.
Get him, Mama. Get that gator.
Care to do the honors, Mikey?
With pleasure.
That's right, Boo. You did it. You beat him.